I just received my ResetSmile kit and I am super excited. After my side tooth video went viral, there were so many different suggestions in the comments section, and ResetSmile was one of the suggestions, and I reached out. And so I received my kit today. I want to show you what's in the kit. Before I do that, I want to show you how I actually ordered my partial. You go to resetsmile.com, you're going to choose the teeth that are missing. Then it's going to suggest the best option for you. I'm getting the 1-arch upper partial denture. This denture cost me $644 plus shipping. Let's get into what's in the kit. Of course, you get your instructions, okay? They give you 3 upper arch trays. They give you 3 lower arch trays. You get the impression material. This is the putty that you're going to use to make your impressions. They give you some gloves, okay, so that you can keep your stuff clean. And then this is a smile retractor. You're going to use this to send them 7 photos of your teeth. They have different angles. It's all on their website. And then you have to use this calibration card and take a selfie so that they can really match your teeth shade appropriately, okay? So you also get this return envelope so that you can send in all of your impressions, but it is key that you have to upload your impressions to their website so that they can approve it before mailing it in. All right? Okay, so I have my son Tavari here. Hello. Say hello. We're gonna take the pictures, all right, according to this diagram. Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's gonna make you look weird, but you have to do it.
Yeah. Okay. So now we got this, and then we gotta hold up this card. So Tahara, you gotta take this picture, make sure it's clear.
Okay. Wait, do you want me to do it in cinematic?
No, this is a regular photo.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. And.
Let me see.
Oh, I just took 2.
No, that's not good lighting. Take it this way. Okay. Take it this way. Get out of here.
Okay.
Okay. Get better lighting?
Yeah, there's more lighting.
Is it better lighting?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, that's 3, 2, 1. That's 1. You want to see it?
Let me see. You gotta get up close, like how up close it is.
Like this. It looked like you cried.
Ow!
Take it. Wait, take it off.
No, I don't want to take it out. Okay. Hey. Okay, now.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Here's the first picture. And then you need this one.
Picture. And the third picture.
That one. That one.
This picture. This one.
This one.
That one.
And that one.
Yep.
All right. So that is a total of seven pictures. In addition to, there's another picture that, we have to take a picture of the actual impressions and send as well. So I'm gonna crop those and send those to them. Let's watch the video.
Your impression using your at-home impression kit. When you receive your at-home impression kit from ResetSmile, you'll receive a return mailer, at-home impression taking guide, 1 pair of gloves, cheek retractors, upper and lower impression trays in 3 different sizes, and 5 sets of putty to do your impressions up to 5 times if needed. You'll also receive a tooth calibration card so that we can determine the proper shade of your device, and a tooth selection card so that you can be specific about which teeth you want replaced in your device. When you're ready to take your impressions, make sure you have a timer handy and it really helps if you have somebody else, like a friend or family member, to help keep time for you. Start by putting on your gloves and then determining the proper size tray that you're going to use. We're going to start with the upper arch. Jess is going to place the tray into her mouth to determine.
Okay, so she's starting with the upper, which is the top. Okay, and I believe these are different sizes. Okay, so we got to determine which one fits the best. So let's start with, is this the biggest one? I feel like I'm like a medium.
I think this is a small one.
Okay, so let's see.
Let's start with that first one.
Let's see. I felt like I was that size. Let's see.
It fits properly. It should not be too large or too small, and should not be making contact prematurely with any of the sides of the tray. When we're ready to start, we're going to take the contents of one white and one blue container putty, open them up, and start mixing them together. The putty should be mixed for about 30 to 45 seconds.
Okay, you ready to start the timer?
Yep.
And let me know when you're ready. And go. So you have to mix it. Let me just watch the video.
When mixing it, you want to ensure that you're using a smooth but firm kneading motion to properly mix the material completely. This is an important step to make sure that the putty will set properly to the right consistency.
Okay, she's rolling it, kneading it.
Okay. Once the putty is mixed, roll it into a log.
Okay, you can stop it.
In a U shape, place that inside the deepest part of the impression tray.
To me, it's not all the way. I can still see some white.
Okay.
When you have done that,
Let me see. Yeah, I just want to keep. Okay, so then I just wanted to make sure all the white. So then she rolled it like this.
And made it into a U shape.
Right? And made it into a U shape. Okay. And then, whoop. Now we're going to put it into the impression tray. You can play the video, babe.
place the tray entirely into your mouth and press it up as far as it will go, just until the teeth are touching the bottom of the tray. When doing this, it's important to position the tray and push it up into place with your thumbs in the center of the tray, not just by the handle. You want to ensure that there's even pressure distributed throughout the entire arch. Once it's in position, stretch your lips and your cheeks just over the sides of the tray to make sure that we can capture even the deepest parts of your dental anatomy. At this point, we're going to set our timer for 3 minutes for the putty to set. After 3 minutes, carefully remove the tray and the impression from the mouth. Check the impression to make sure that there are no defects, which can be observed by looking at the impression guide in your kit. If you're satisfied with your impression,
Ew. All right. So here's my impression. Ew. Okay, now we have to do the bottom. And then, yes. So we got to do it for the bottom.
Double click.
And go. So we're kneading it like she did.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the bottom. Get it into focus. Ah, that's nasty. The bottom and the top. I ain't got no teeth at the top. We actually need to take a picture of the impressions. So let's take a picture.
Picture time again.
And then, so after we take the picture, we're gonna upload all of the photos. There's 8. There's 8 photos total that we have to upload, and there's a QR code. We just upload those photos. Then we have to wait for a confirmation email before we ship the impression. So we're gonna do that and come back. Okay, so here are my impressions. I did email the picture of my first set of impressions, and they needed me to do a second set for accuracy. Okay, so I gotta mail out all 4, and again, they do not want you to take the putty out of the tray. You have to mail the entire thing. So I have all 4 of those that I'm gonna put in the mailer, and then they give you this card. Your right, your left, they want you to circle the teeth that are missing. Okay, so here's Toothiana, there's Toothiana Jr. All right, so I'm gonna mail all of this in, send it in, and then I will do a part 2 follow-up to this video so we can see how it looks. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're here, do not leave without subscribing. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm Assunta Davidson. I'm a hair loss practitioner, a woman of faith, an innovator, and I am here to serve you. Okay, here to serve you. If you are dealing with hair loss, I have a 4-step product system that will promote healthy hair. I have hair toppers that help you with crown thinning. You can find all of those items on my website in the description box below. If you are here and you just watched a hair tutorial, all of the tools and materials will be in my Amazon storefront. So you can go and shop there in the description box. Please always make sure you check the description box or the pinned post on the video in the comments. Everything is always listed for your convenience. I love you guys. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose.